Where's my money? I didn't bring it yet. Please just let me be. No, you have to bring me my money first. And that's, after all, lying to me. You know what happens if you lie to me. I want to go home. Oh, what's wrong, airplane girl? Too afraid to fly? Please, I'll bring it next year. Next year? Next year is like until, well, that's when you're gone. I'll still be here. I promise. It's only 7th grade. And my family hasn't got a lot of money. You better bring my money tomorrow or I will fry you up into, what's it called? Fried eggs. You got that, airplane girl? Okay. Good. Now I'll see you tomorrow. If you don't have the money by 3 in the afternoon at school, you're fried.